Welcome back, everybody. Second day in Bangalore after cancelling our ride. Right now I'm going to get a visor for my helmet because this visor is totally done, so I'm going to get that. And after that I have some work near Hebbal, so I'm gonna get that done. And if you guys didn't know, Rynox has officially opened an exclusive store in Bangalore, so I'm gonna check that out as well. It's in HRBR layout, close to Hebbal. So I'm just gonna take a look at that store on my way back home once I finish my work in Hebbal. So that's the plan for today. Right now I'm going to Whitehorse Riding Gears to get a smoke visor for my helmet. MT Thunder 3 SV is my helmet, by the way. People keep asking that. Links to all of the gears that I use are in the description box below, so please go and check it out. I'm so stoked to visit the Rynox Store, by the way. They've been my official collaborator for over a year right now. Also, wearing shorts on a sunny day like this is actually a good idea, but being on a 400cc bike and shorts doesn't really work out, especially if you're going through city traffic. Oh my god, my leg is about to be chicken tandoori. No joke. Apparently you get MT accessories in Spartan Pro Gear, that is Moto Nation in Bangalore. Right now it's changed to Power Sports. It's not Moto Nation anymore. Didn't mean to do that. People are gonna think I'm showing off, but that was a false neutral, I swear. ಬೇರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬೇಡ 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 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ. Thank you. She was kind of surprised. The thing is, I knew there was 100 rupees lying in my tank bag and I wouldn't use it because I would forget about that. Right now, these are the moments when it comes to my mind that I have things in my tank bag, as in the side compartments. So it just reminded me of that, and yeah, she just gave me back a coin. All right, let's go. So many things to do when you're a biker, isn't it? Subscribe. Let's go. Thunder 3 visor ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು ಅದೇ. If I'm not wrong, this is... Yep, this is exactly what I thought. You have BBG, you have Solis, and probably Aspida, if I'm not wrong. Right, so I'm actually on my way to Rynox Store. It's about 6.3 kilometers from here. Where do I go? I go straight? Okay, I go straight. Oh my god, it's so sunny. Fuck. The smoke visor is really good, by the way. I think Rynox opened their first exclusive store in Pune. I wanted to go there, but I didn't have the time, as well as so far away from where I stay currently, which is Trivandrum. So I've done a whole detour around Bangalore right now, because Whitefield to HSR to Banshankari to HRBR layout, and HRBR layout to again Whitefield. So it's like a whole detour. It's a circle, isn't it? If I'm not wrong. Yep. I strongly believe it's over here. Oh yeah, I see it. Let's go. Hi, I'm just here to check out the store, that's all.
Sure. We have somebody from Rynox as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's from Rynox. He is an official collaborator with Rynox.
Hi. I'm known as SpilTrez.
Oh, hi.
Hi. So I'm just here to check out the store. I was here close by, so I just came to check out.
Using your helmet right now, we can look at you as well.
Is it fine if I record?
Come on, man.
Okay.
All yours.
What's your name, by the way?
Tushar.
Tushar. Okay.
I am into sales, not into marketing.
Not into marketing. Okay.
Might be connected to Pratik or Sanket.
I think Sanket. Sanket.
Right.
Yep. He is the one who's in contact with me. So when was this opened?
Sunday.
Sunday. It's been only a few days, is it?
Yes. Don't mind the mess, we're just setting things.
Yeah, but that's totally understandable. This is the new variant, is it? Of the Storm Evo.
Storm Evo.
I had the blue one. That's the one that they sent to me initially, the first one. These are the gloves. I think this is what I have. No, this is not what I have. Wait, hold on. This is exactly what I have right now. This is a Storm Evo. And I also have this one. Lovely. This one's an Urban X. I see. How much is this? At 6.750. Oh, I swear, man, this is one of the best bags ever. They recently sent me this bag, and apparently it's really good. I only had the chance to use this in rain for 2 days. That's all. That's because we cancelled our ride, about which I'm gonna make a video soon. But this is an absolute banger, for sure. Lovely bag. It's really nice as well. I'll show you guys the inside of it. Look at this. You have a compartment over there. You have compartments over here. And the interesting part is that when you open it, you get these small what do you call this? Small waterproof covers in which you're supposed to store the luggage. You get 21 liters if I'm not wrong. This is 12, and then there's 21, I suppose. This looks nice. This is the Storm Evo, exactly. This is with the fluorescent yellow. Lovely, man. Feels like I'm in heaven. Cool. When I got my bike, I initially wanted to get this saddlebags, but I got the panniers instead. This is the Magnapod. It's much bigger compared to the Navigator. That's
setting up our warehouse.
Totally understandable.
My name is Vincent.
Vincent, yes, I've seen you in the customer review. Someone's written about you.
Oh, wow.
Vincent.
Thank you so much for that. So you're from Kerala, right?
Yeah, I'm from Kerala.
Okay, I'm also from Kerala.
You're from Kerala?
Yeah,
Which one?
Thrissur, but born and brought up in Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah, so
Same.
my Malayalam is not that clear.
Same. I was born and brought up in Bangalore as well. I still don't know how to read or write Malayalam.
Same thing.
Same. Let's go.
Yeah.
So how long does it take to set everything up?
Probably by tomorrow evening it should be set all. We are trying to set it up today itself. So some things yet to come.
Okay.
The racks and things.
Right now, I stay in Whitefield, so
Whitefield, okay.
yeah, it's pretty close from here, right? How far is Whitefield? I think it's 15 kilometers.
20, yeah.
So instead of coming directly, I had to go to Banshankari and then take a whole detour and come back.
That is too much. Like, you can actually come with the
Exactly. I had to go to Banshankari to get a visor, so that's why I have
okay,
gone there. So I'm getting all the essentials before I go back to Kerala. So currently, I'm shifted to Kerala for a few years, maybe next 2 years.
But okay, fine. You're getting shifted there.
No, I'm already shifted.
You should have come on Sunday.
Sunday,
Yeah.
I wasn't here. That's the day when.
Oh, that's sad. So you were along with them?
So after this, I'll take a couple of photos and I'll
Sure,
leave.
sure. Please, any help, please let me know.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Vincent. Someone mentioned him in the reviews. What is this? Jacket oh, okay. It's a jacket cover. Okay. What I'm gonna do right now is shoot some photos and I'll get on going. Yep, this is something that would be nice. It's the perfect spot. It covers the logo as well. Yep.
My car is also here.
Just in time. Alright, bye. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Do tag us as well.
Definitely. That's the first thing I'll go do. Tushar and Vincent. What's your name?
My name is Bhushan.
Bhushan. Okay. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. ಕಾರ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. On my way home from Rynox, lovely guys, man. Tushar, Vincent. Tushar is the sales head of Rynox, by the way. I had a pretty nice chat with him. I spent around 2 hours, I think. Yeah, a solid 2 hours, and I did some photo shoots. And apparently Vincent is a Malayali, but he was born and brought up in Bangalore, just like me, and he's not really familiar with Malayalam as well, exactly like me, so we could connect really well. There's a positive vibe in that store. Guys should definitely check it out. There's something that most of the store in Bangalore lacks. It's about the positive vibes and or how the sales executive treat you. That's one of the important things when it comes to a store, because I'm not saying all of them, most of the stores doesn't have that. People are really rude or they're just fed up. So that's something that I really liked about the store. And obviously you get all kind of riding gears in there. I wanted Rynox merch, but that wasn't available. I'm just happy that there's no rain today. I would have been really pissed off. And I wore shorts at the right day. Let's go. It's really sunny today, so I thought, why not go for the shortsy. Okay, I think that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.